Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access your Virgin Media router settings step by step. So whether you want to change the Wi-Fi name, the password, the parental controls or the privacy or security settings, this beginner friendly guide is going to help you log into the Virgin Media Hub quickly and safely. So first of all, you need to make sure that your phone, your laptop or the computer is connected to the Virgin Media Hub either through Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Afterwards, you just have to open any of your web browsers on your PC or laptop. It can be Chrome, Edge or Safari. So as you can see, currently I am in my Chrome web browser. So you just have to open a new tab, and in the search bar, you just have to simply search for this particular address, which is 192.168.100.1 dot. So when you hit enter, you will be landed on the login page of Virgin Media router. So the login page is going to look something like this. Over here, you just have to simply provide your sign in credentials, and then you need to sign in into your account. Now when you sign in into your account, you will get access to the settings, and now you can change the Wi-Fi name, the password, and you can also access bunch of different settings with the help of it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.